I've just finished building this beast of a computer. I've built a lot of computers. This is probably one of the most beautiful computers I've built. And that's thanks to this Corsair 5000X RGB case with these awesome cooling fans in the front. This case is huge, guys. There's room for a fan back here. There's room for fans up here. Room for fans in the front. There's room for fans in the back. You see right there? There's glass on all 4 sides. You can put 360 radiator in the front, in the inside, on the top. You can put radiators like pretty much everywhere. This thing comes included with the 3 fans in the front. You see right there in the front? These fans are beautiful. These are the Corsair fans that work with the iCUE software. Oh, the iCUE software is so good too. Check out the RAM that I have there. See, those are Corsair Dominator Platinum RAM. Those RAMs are controlled by the same software. Everything makes this computer look so good. All the fans, all the color. Now this case does get a little bit heavy because there's glass everywhere. There's glass in the front. There's glass on this side. There's glass in the back. And there's glass on the top. Now I took off all the glass, otherwise I couldn't carry the case like this because it's gonna be too heavy for me. Also, if you're choosing between the white and the black, I prefer the white one just because white just looks so clean, but it's up to you, that's all aesthetic. Now keep in mind that the white also comes with a clear glass panel. The black one has a tinted glass panel, so just keep that in mind. There's 3 different styles. There's an airflow version that has a lot of good airflow. There's an RGB version, which is the one I have, which I recommend because the RGBs look so good and the airflow is still really good. And of course, there's a tempered glass version, which, yeah, that's if you want to save money. I would say if you're gonna buy a case like this, go all out and get the RGB version. You're gonna love how beautiful this case looks. It's big, heavy, and has tons of room, but the airflow is so good. Everything is very much toolless, and it's so easy to work with. I've never worked with a more high quality case, and you're not even paying that much. Like, you pay a little bit more for this case, but you're gonna love it, especially if you're gonna change your parts in and out a lot. Or if you just want this to be the center masterpiece on your desk, because look how beautiful this thing is. This particular version I have is the white 5000X ARGB case. It's just a beautiful case to work with. And guys, look how good it looks. It just looks absolutely amazing. I love this case. Just for the record, in this computer, I got the Asus RTX 3070 graphics card. I got this cooler right here. This is the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 360 ARGB cooler in here. I got the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB RAM and a bunch of other stuff. But my favorite part of this computer is the case, guys. The case just brings all the visuals together. Oh, and the airflow is just great in this case. The customization is endless. It's just so fun to play with and build. You can customize your computer any way you want. Put a bunch of fans, put radiators. You choose the configuration that works for you. I love this case. I highly recommend this computer case. Yeah, no other choice for me but the Corsair 5000X RGB, baby.